back up, the motor actually sped up on RPM. That's the correct setting. The last part, I purposely set it too lean. It sounded better when I held it like this, but when I held the motor up in the air, it actually sagged. And in actuality, with that being in flight mode, at the end of the runway when you lift it off, it was stalled, and then you had a real fun engine. Okay, guys, that's a classic condition where the idle mixture is set too lean. Okay, it needs a little more fuel at idle. The way you can tell that, and you can see I was putting the glow plug clip on and off. There was no RPM change. Normally, if it's set right, you will notice that when you put it on, you get the extra heat, it'll speed up slightly. Now we'll set it and bring it back to right, and we'll show you the difference. Right here, open that up about 4 feet. Now transition. Again. Notice how when he stabbed it, it went right to wide open with no hesitation. That's how you know you got it right. Okay.
For this week's aerobatic tip, I'm going to show you how to do an inverted Cuban 8. It's basically the same as a regular Cuban 8, except for you do your loop after you do your little roll. Get up at a 45-degree angle, do your roll. Hold your angle of climb until you have enough room to clear the ground, then pull down on the elevator to do your big loop and go back into another one. It's also a pretty handy way to turn around. And that's your inverted Cuban 8. Have fun. On the next RC cast, we're going to show you a cool engine testing stand and also a giant scale Corsair that one of our cast members recently got.